Hello, our YouTube viewers. Today is another exciting day, and I've just got a little trick for my viewers here. Today, we are just going to check on our smartphone whether you are being hacked or your calls are being monitored or forwarded, and a whole lot of stuff. People sometimes get their calls forwarded and notified and messages and all that stuff. So I'm just going to take you through this short trick in which you use to discover this information and how to disable that. Okay, so we'll do that by going to the phone tab here, where you bring out your dial up, and then there's a simple code that you tap. You tap your star, then you go by the hash, then 2 1 hash, and then you dial. Good. You see, we've got a little menu here which is telling us that the calls forwarded, voice not forwarded, data not forwarded, fax, SMS, synchronized, asynchronized, and packets not forwarded. We have the part 2 which is not forwarded. When you get this, you can see from the first that the calls are being forwarded. I forwarded my calls to a different number. When I don't get the calls on this particular phone, they go to the different phone when they are not answered. I did that intentionally, but in case you get something of this sort and then you don't know about it, you didn't do it, and you want to take it off, there's another simple way to do that. Okay, so let's go on. So on the 3 dots at the top here, you tap on that, you tap on your settings, then you tap on the call accounts. I'll tap my MTN, and then call forwarding. It's reading my settings, and within a minute it will be done here. Okay, so you see, all calls forwarded off, when busy off, when answered unanswered off, and when unreachable off. These settings are off. That means all these calls, when this is on, you quickly put it off. So you tap on that, and you see I was trying to do it. Give it to this number. Thank you very much, and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video for the benefit of others. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Thank you a lot.